everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Happy Sunday to everybody. And it is a happy Sunday because today I get to announce the winner to my giveaway to the Santa Baby Christmas in July YouTube Hop. So I went on random.org, plugged in my numbers. I got a total of 477 comments on my channel. So thank you so much everybody who participated, who left beautiful, just sweet comments. And anyway, I plugged it in and the random winner was number 232. And it is Crafting It Up and Creations. Yay, congratulations. So please make sure, Crafting It Up and Creations, you give me your email address so that way I can email you the $25 gift code to frankgarciastudio.com. And make sure, everyone, that you also head over to Liz Russell's channel because she will also be announcing the winner to the main giveaway prize. Okay, so make sure you do that. So again, I just want to say thank you so much, everyone, for your beautiful comments, for joining us on this hop. This was my first hop, so it is very special to me. So we just appreciate you guys, appreciate your support. And thank you again to all my subscribers, new ones, old ones. I love you guys. So have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.